So this is the first kurti that I'll be styling. I bought this kurti from Big Bazaar last year, and this is the second one. I bought this from Bharti Fashions. If you are from Dehradun, you will know it. And the third one is from Trends. Let me tell you, I bought this from a sale, and we can go for the looks that I will be creating now. The very first thing that I'm going to show you is my bangles. The second one is my earrings. So I bought these from Patan Bazaar again, and this is from H&M. I bought a set of these rings of around, I think, 700 rupees, and these jewelries are also from local market. The very first one that I'm wearing is a double layered kind of jhumka. You can use this in a lot of ways. I'll be uploading a Instagram reel for this, in which I'll be wearing this as mangtika and as a pendant, and of course as earrings. I'm really sorry guys, I'm very late with this one. Actually, I wasn't feeling well and I'm in my hometown right now. You can guess from my voice that I'm not feeling well as such, but I tried to put this up as soon as possible and I'm really sorry. So, okay, let me show off some of my looks. There are various ways you can style a kurti. You can go for chudidar, you can go for plazo set, or you can go for sharara. These earrings are again from local market. As you can see, these are the second one that I'm trying with this blue kurti, and they look so good. This second kurti that I have styled is with the plazo set. You can wear skirt beneath this or a jeans, of course. I really prefer using jeans with the kurti. It sort of give you a Indo-Western look, but as it's Diwali, it's better you go for a plazo or anything ethnic that would go with it. Also, do let me know in the comment section if you want a part 2 like this, of Indian outfits. I'll love to do that. And if you have any suggestions regarding any video content, do let me know. And I wish you a very happy Diwali, guys. For styling my third kurti, which is very simple yet elegant, I'm going to be using these bangles. You can wear these bangles either in one hand or both of your hands. It's totally your choice. I prefer wearing this in only one hand, so I'm going to be doing that now. चूड़ियाँ तो प्यार है यार. You can see how beautiful this looks. Next, I'm gonna be using 2 jhumkas to show you how you can wear these. First one is this. The very first one that I have are these jhumkas. which I really like. I'll try them on and show you how this looks with this kurti. You can see how beautiful these jhumkas look. With these jhumkas, you don't need any kind of necklace or choker to wear. I think it's sufficient in itself, and I really like the look. Now I'm going to show you the second one. The second jhumkas that I have is from a set. I purchased this from Paltan Bazaar. If you're from Dehradun, you must be knowing that Paltan Bazaar has a lot of shops, you know, जो सड़क के किनारे पे वेंडर्स होते हैं, और आई थिंक बहुत चीप भी मिल जाता है, एंड यू कैन बाय expensive jewelry all the time. Whenever there is any occasion or party, you must go for the local things, and of course vocal for local. So what I did was I bought a choker with it. These jhumkas were there, and for this look I thought that these will look very good. I don't wanted to use any choker with this because you can see the neckline of this kurti is very up. So now I'm gonna wear the other jhumka and I'll show you how it looks. If you want me to do a second part like this of jewelry and kurtis or traditional wear, do let me know and I would love to do it.